Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of owning your own home, but feel like it's out of reach, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about a home buying program that's changing lives across the country, the NACA Home Buying Program. So, what exactly is the NACA Home Buying Program? NACA stands for the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, a non-profit organization that's dedicated to making homeownership accessible for everyone, especially those who might struggle to get a traditional mortgage. Here's what makes NACA different from other mortgage programs. 1. No down payment. That's right, NACA doesn't require you to put any money down, which is often one of the biggest barriers to buying a home. 2. No closing costs. They've got you covered on this one too. All those extra fees that usually come with buying a home, NACA takes care of them. 3. No fees. No application fees. No origination fees, none of that. It's all about making the process as affordable as possible. 4. Below market interest rates. NACA offers fixed interest rates that are below the market average, which means lower monthly payments for you. 5. No PMI private mortgage insurance. Unlike most loans where you need to pay extra insurance if you don't have a big down payment, NACA doesn't require PMI, so that's more savings for you. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one, at least not in the traditional sense. NACA's goal is to empower individuals and families, particularly those in low to moderate income brackets, to achieve sustainable homeownership. They don't just give you a loan and send you on your way. NACA provides extensive counseling and education to ensure you're financially ready for homeownership. Here's how the process works. 1. Attend a workshop. The first step is attending a NACA workshop, where you'll learn everything you need to know about the program. 2. Financial counseling. After the workshop, you'll meet with a NACA counselor who'll help you understand your finances, create a budget, and get you on the path to homeownership. 3. Get qualified. Once your finances are in order, NACA will qualify you for a mortgage. They look at your whole financial situation, not just your credit score. 4. Find your home. With your qualification in hand, you're ready to start house hunting. NACA works with you every step of the way to ensure you find a home that's right for you. And the best part, NACA is about building up communities. They focus on revitalizing neighborhoods that have been neglected, helping to create stable and thriving environments for everyone. So, if you're ready to take that step toward homeownership, but feel like the odds are stacked against you, the NACA Home Buying Program might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.